Pulling the trigger causes the hammer to release and hit the firing pin. The bullet primer, which contains a substance that explodes to ignite the gunpowder, is pierced by the firing pin. The gas piston is forced rearward by expanding gases. Casing is ejected when the bolt carrier is driven back. Bolt places a fresh round into the barrel after pulling it from the magazine. Hammer is also put back in the starting position by the bolt carrier. The selector is moved to the center position to shoot in automatic mode. This prevents the disconnector from snagging the hammer as the trigger is depressed and holding it back.